Hey everyone. I often hear advanced instructors telling their candidates to take a dominant position in the road to discourage any oncoming vehicles from doing any overtakes from cyclists, etc. Just want to show you something here. I was following this car and we were following a cyclist. The car then indicates, and I think, well, he's either going to turn right or he's indicating his intention to pass the cyclist. So when he does that, I then move to the inside. Firstly, I can see the cyclist. Secondly, it keeps me away from any oncoming vehicles. And thirdly, if he does turn, I can get away a little bit earlier. But if you watch this, when the car starts to overtake, you'll see just there is an oncoming motorcyclist taking a dominant position. So this car was going to go anyway, and it causes the biker to swerve out of the way. So my point here is, on roads like this, is there any harm in moving into position 1 to allow the flow of the traffic if the road is wide and safe enough, rather than being stubborn and just staying in a position to discourage vehicles that are probably going to pull out on you anyway, putting you in danger? Let me know what you think. Please leave your comments, like, subscribe, blah 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 blah, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.